Hello everyone. Today we will be opening Littlest Pet Shops. Okay, so we will be opening this one. I have some blind boxes. Oh, okay. I already opened one because I couldn't wait. I have the whole box and 3 LPS. I have her already, but I want the box, so this one is so pretty, and this one I don't really like the owl, but this dog is really cute. So let's get to opening. I think we'll start with the blind boxes because I already opened one pet. And she's pretty cute. She has a little mark here and her chest is a little messed up, but and she has a black dot here, but it's not really bothering me, and she's really cute. I really wanted her. And yeah, I won't be showing you a checklist because I think everyone already saw the checklist. Here's the card. Really pretty, really cute. And the token, but I won't be showing you the code because I'm gonna use it. So another box. I'll take this one. What? Oh my god. I don't want to see the card. I want to see the pet. But I'll try to guess first. I think it's the poodle. Poodle? Poodle. Oh no, I guessed wrong. Ooh, banana. And it's an anteater, and it's really cute. It has a little star, and it's pink. And I like stars and pink, so I like him. And let's see the card. Where are you? Oh, okay, here it is. A little card. Cool. And I forgot to show this little boat that this panel came with. I forgot it. So another one. Okay. Okay. Wow, we got it! Oh, I know what it is. It's a shark. Shark! Look at him. It's just a little silly guy. I hope it focuses right. And he has a surfboard. I think that's how it was called. And the card looks like this. It's really cute. Let's keep going and open another one. And I think I didn't tell y'all about it, but I checked the codes. So technically I know what it's here, but now I'm opening them randomly, so I don't know. I just know that those are the ones that I want. Hopefully. If I didn't mess up at checking the codes. So, I didn't try to guess. It's the poodle. It's the poodle, definitely. Yeah, little brush. It's the poodle. Look at her! She's so cute. I have a similar poodle from G2, and she also has little stars, I think. They look like siblings, and they are siblings now. In my world, they are siblings. Wait, and the card. A little card. Here it is. I really like that this LPS come with cards. It's really fun to collect them. And the coin. I think she stands, but she'll probably fall, I think. Yeah. Another blind box. We have 3 left. I'll take this one. Okay. Boom. And what it is? Oh, it's the bunny. It's the bunny. There's a scarf. You kidding? I mostly got this bunny because of the scarf. Because this bunny is like, okay, alright. Oh, my cat. Hi! My cat wants to help me with opening. Yeah. So, yes. And I just wanted the scarf mostly, but this bunny is pretty cute too. It's kind of creepy, but it's cute. You want to see? Bishkop. Look. Nah, she likes the puzzle more. And here's how the card looks like. It's really pretty. I think it's one of the more prettier cards. Yeah, this bunny definitely won't stand. I won't even try. My cat still wants to help. Right? You want to help? Okay. Let's open another one. Oh. I can't pick it out. Okay. Which one? It is. Wait a second. I think it's the panda. It might be the panda. Or not. No, it's not the panda. No. I can see. Yeah. It's not the panda. Bishkop. She's trying to become a little pet shop. Please don't. Okay, she won't become a little pet shop anymore. Here's the corgi. It's really cute. Oh my god. What are you doing? Yeah, you can have it. This is trash. I don't need it. Here you go. Okay, she's playing with paper right now. Is it fun? Bishkop, podoba ci się? Okay, so she'll be playing right now. Oh, she doesn't play anymore. I wanted to say that if you hear any sounds, it's her, but she got bored. Little corgi with crown that doesn't need to stay right. Okay, cool. That's how the card looks like. Whoa. Here we go, another one. It's the last blind box, right? Yeah, it's the last one. So far, I didn't get any that I don't want. So hopefully this one is also the one I want. Oh, I didn't. Yeah, it's the panda definitely. Woo! A little pink panda. She's adorable and she has a little bamboo. And here's her card, which is really pretty. Yeah. Okay, so we got all of those blind boxes. Yeah. I got every single one that I wanted. I checked them right. So now let's open some of these. And first I'll open the one that I'm less excited. Is this one. Because the only thing I want from this set is this dog. Cookies, like this coconut looks kinda cute actually. This owl is ugly. I'm sorry, I don't like this owl. I don't like this shape. I have one from G2 and I don't like it. It's ugly. Okay, so let's open. I need scissors here. Okay. Woo! And I don't want to bend it. Help me! Help me! I can't open it. Wow! Weird. I can't take it off. Whoa! I got it. Here I'll show the card first, because it's not a blind box. Is it good? I can tell. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. Why? Okay, what looks good, okay? Alright, yeah, the card and the coin. Wow, I want to show the code. I'm evil. Okay, I'm French actually. Yeah, here are the LPS. Let's open them. So here we have the little accessories, a little coconut, a banana, and heart-shaped cookies. This little thing. Woo! And I'll take out the owl so we can see how it looks on it. Here we go, the little owl. And you can put it on this. I think you can. Wait, I can't do it on the camera. It's too hard. Okay, I got it. No, I didn't. I didn't. Oh my god. I got it. I got it. Yes, it works. Wow. Wow, it works. It wants to fall, but it works. And the star of this show, this doggy. He's adorable. He's a little heart. And he's adorable. Look at him. Look him in the eyes. Another one. And I don't know which one to open, to be honest. And this one or this one, I don't know. Both are really cool. Really cool. I think I'll go with this one. Whoa. Coin fell. Cool. And I'll show you the card. Here it is. It's the monkey. I don't like this monkey. I mean, it's kind of pretty, but if it was like in blind box or something like that, I would not buy it. I don't like monkeys. I'm sorry. Monkeys kind of freak me out. Oh, and I didn't show you, but here's the card, like the little thing. Here it is. Cool. It was with this set. If someone was wondering, but I think no one was. Okay, let's open this little drink. I really like this drink, but they only made it in this color, and it's weird because I already have 3 of them. I mean, including this one, so it's kind of sad. Like, you could at least make a different color. It's not that hard. A little bag, and I think you can put it on the giraffe. I think this one is too fat for it. And the little tree, and this, like, I have already 3 of them. I think only in one set they made it a different color. Like, why? Why do you like red so much? This plant, it's really cute. I really wanted this plant, so I'm glad I have it. Fire, this thing, again, I forgot how it was called, but okay. Little stack of hay, and a car, which is really cool. I really like this car. Now let's get to the pets. Monkey, which is like, okay, it's actually more purple than pink. I thought it was pink at first for some reason. Okay, and he can drive the car. You can. Woo! Here's the rhino, and the last thing from the set is this giraffe. And I'll put it on her. Yes, it's definitely for her. Look at this fashionable bag. Look at it. I think it's really fashionable. And the last set, the last one. This one. Whoa! Here's the background they came with. A card. It's really pretty in my opinion. Their little accessories, the little brush. Okay, thank you. The brush, a hair dryer, and a little comb. Coin. Oh, this cute little bag. It's really cheap plastic, I must say. Okay, and the pets. Little bunny. She's slaying. Oh, she has stars on her ear here. I didn't know it. She's adorable. And she doesn't want to stand. Yeah, cool. And the dog. It's a really cute dog. I really like this mold. I never had a dog like this. And the bunny. I didn't have a bunny also. This is the European version because pets from the series have metallic things. Like this one has a metallic bow, and this owl, also has metallic things. But yeah, because the other ones have glitter. And those doesn't have glitter. And I actually like this better, the metallic version, because the glitter won't be everywhere. Woo. So we opened everything. Woo! I'm really happy that I have all of these LPS. Like, what? Now I only need 2 packs and the tube. I need them. And here are the LPS that I had before. Because I'll show you, because I didn't make unboxings on some of those. So yeah, that's all. Cool. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you might like and subscribe me. It'd be really cool if you'll do that. Like, please do it. Do it, please. Look at this face. Please subscribe me.